Okay, we made it. We are here at Studio A. This is where the OneDrive team is doing their event shoot. These studios are fantastic at Microsoft. They're really awesome. Let's see if we can go find the team. I think I found them. Let's see what they're doing. Shh. Hey OneDrive team, say hey to everybody. We're doing our behind the scenes shoot. That's excellent. Okay, let's keep going. Let's see who else we can find. Come on over here. This is the actual stage setup itself. I love these stages because they're so professional and they allow us to do great work on behalf of our customers. Look, we found him. We tracked him down. Yeah. He really was coming over here. He didn't just walk in my shot for no reason. He was really coming here. Now we want you to go check out the OneDrive event. LinkedIn, YouTube, Microsoft Tech Community, everywhere you can stream us, we'll be there, and you can see us on demand. So go check out aka.ms OneDrive event and I'll see you there.